Hello, welcome back to the channel. Another one from the collection this time. Nothing new in the post or anything. And it's actually two from the collection this time, because this is a very special edition box. Actually big enough. It's going to be quite difficult. Oh, there we go. Got him. So, you can see the size of this box. Jumpman on one side, Nike swoosh on the other. The packaging reads Air Jordan Times Max Pack. Multicolour, multicolour. UK 11. So you can see we have a big special edition box, half adorned in the safari print, always seen on MX1s, well, not always, but a lot of the time, and the other half is elephant print, which adorns the Jordan 3. So we have the MX1 colour and the Air Jordan 3 colour. They just so happen to be my two favourite Nike models, the Jordan 3 and the MX1. So I guess this was always a pack that was going to be made for me. Just going to pull one side of each pair out, so there are two pairs in here. Get alternate shoes. Make sure I get all the extras and all the goodies out. Cool. So shut this back again, and we'll go through these two pairs. So what we have here is a MX1 and a Jordan 3. So this is the Atmos, I don't know how to pronounce it, Air Jordan times Air Max pack. Basically they've taken the safari print, which you can see here, on where the elephant print would normally be, and they've put it on the Jordan 3, and they've taken the print that should be there, the elephant print, and they've put it on the MX1. So these are colloquially referred to as MX1 Elephant, and these are referred to as the Air Jordan 3 Safari, or Atmos Safari, Atmos Elephant, to give them the two names. So I have this, it's the grey, it's almost like a browny grey that runs through the threes, through the eyelets, the tongue lining, and the midsole. I've put those laces in because I feel like it breaks the shoe down a lot, like the amount of black in the shoe. There are a few lace options. You have an orange hang tag, which is way started to go yucky. There's an orange pair of laces, lovely colour. It just doesn't match anything else on the shoe. It was, I think they used the wrong colour, I don't know. And then a black. Black would be my second choice. Actually, the end of the lace is starting to break on the black laces. It's just a lot of black with the black lace, so I've gone for that colour. And then on the other side, because we have this white toe box, I haven't gone with the white laces on these because I didn't feel like it needed breaking up as much, because there's a large proportion of the shoe that isn't black. Having said that, these do come with the teal, which kind of it matches more the Nike on the back than the patent leather swoosh. I hate patent leather normally. This is about as much as I would ever want on a shoe, and it's still a very minimal amount. And then you also have whites. Thing with this pair is the leather toe box. If you can see here, it creases like crazy. Yeah, this is the pair with the Jumpman on the bottom, obviously because it's in the pack. The bottom of the threes is completely like, see-through. Yeah, that's kind of the most of it. Here you have, just running through the threes, you have the green Jumpman. It says 0325, so the 25th of March, I'm guessing that is 0325, 5th of March again. Nike Air in that green again on the back, black, and then that kind of browny grey colour Both super, super nice shoes. So background to this pair is I bought this as one of my first purchases, one of my last purchases before COVID and everything else started, and also before they started charging sales tax on StockX. So this pack would probably cost me twice what I paid for it now. Obviously these are considered Skrells by pretty much everyone. I actually think, if I'm to be brutally honest with myself, of the two shoes, I think this is the nicer looking of the two. But there's no escaping the fact that I'm in a small minority there, and these get the lion's share of the hype. But yeah, it's just my opinion on it. I do wish, I said this to the guys on my Jordan 3 appreciation group, this needs to be redone as a standalone in the new shape. They're very bulky. They came out in 2017, just around the time when the silhouette shape was at its worst. Thinking this pair, the 2016 True Blues, the 2017 Atmos, and the 2018 Black Cement, the worst three shapes of any threes that I've ever owned or ever touched. Like you can see here, the toe box is enormous and bulky. Also this like top down, so they're really puffy out the sides, which does give it that kind of skater shoe kind of vibe. The fact that the black really doesn't help there and kind of makes that worse, but I'm going to stop complaining about them and just like appreciate the good parts. Yeah, it's probably my favorite pack that I own. This is the 2017 Atmos Air Jordan times Air Max Safari Elephant Pack. Over and out.